If you tend to leave your trailer hitch insert in place for long periods of time, you can run into trouble before you know it. Especially when it's tight in this area, it can rust and seize in place. This one, even the pin won't rotate. There's a quick, simple solution for that. So all you need to do to prevent your insert from getting rusted into your trailer hitch is to just use a bit of anti-seize compound. And you see with this one, it's pretty tight, and that's really where the trouble begins, when they're tight. So I'm just going to put some anti-seize here, and then inside here. It inserts about to there, so I'm going to put the anti-seize compound that far. I don't need to put it further because that's just going to get caked with dust and dirt. I'll put some inside the hole in here as well, where the pin goes through. You won't get it as deep in the trailer hitch receiver, but that doesn't matter because you've got it the full depth on your insert. Be sure to get some in the holes where the pin comes through. And now it's ready to go in. Pin through. All set to go. Well, not quite set, but one step closer. We'll get that ball on there.